Can you day trade before market opens? Can you day trade before market opens? So yes, some platforms allow what's called pre-market trading. Market opens at 9:30 Eastern time. Pre-market runs from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Some platforms allow trading during this period. Just check with the platform that you are using whether they allow pre-market trading. For example, Robinhood and Weibo, they do allow pre-market trading. Prices can move differently during these pre-market hours. Just remember that because there are fewer traders and sellers and buyers, traders, so it's riskier and prices can actually fluctuate wildly. Trades may not go through easily because there are very few counterparties to take your trades. So you can buy and sell stocks early in the pre-market hours. ETFs can also be traded pre-market, but the advice is that beginners should start with normal trading hours before they start looking at trading pre-market hours.